You are feeling that in a strong way on the north coast. Now, this was a relatively shallow quake as well, and that also leads to the strength of the shaking. This is a very seismically active area. In fact, one of the most seismically active in the state. The Juan de Fuca plate is connected to the Gorda plate. The Gorda plate is the southernmost portion of that plate, which intersects with the Pacific and North American tectonic plates right here at the Mendocino Triple Junction. And this is exactly where that earthquake occurred today. It's also the northernmost stem of the San Andreas Fault. So not surprising that you have a big quake there. It has a history. When we look at the earthquakes today in that area, every one of these circles represents either the main quake or an aftershock, but that main one being the 7.0 at a depth of 6 miles at about 10:45 this morning. Interesting to note, though, there was a separate quake registered near Clear Lake at around that same time at a magnitude of 4.3. So the shaking that we felt here in Sacramento could have also been from this Clear Lake quake. The earth might be responding to these different quakes in different ways. So as we look up into that area where they're dealing with that strong quake along Humboldt County, they've had magnitude 4.3 aftershock at 12:04. There was a 5.0 aftershock at 12 o'clock and a 4.0 at 3:16. This is just going to continue through the night with the quake that strong.